We found this spot that was close to my house. It's called Huga. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I think so, but as you can see on the map, I'm close to Goduk. Here's their website. You can see the food. It was very amazing. These are all the houses that you could rent. I guess booths, not really houses, but they're actually booths. You can rent all these. Go through, you can click on each one and it gives you more detailed information on each one. We actually got the one for 3 o'clock and they also had one for 7 o'clock. We thought the 3 o'clock one would be better, so that's what we chose. The inside looks amazing. You'll see later on in the video. This right here, the website is pretty simple. They have it in Korean. They have it also in English. You just go in here, you pick your date. If you're in Korea, I suggest you download Catch Table. You can get you the English version. This has all the restaurants in Korea, in any city, any town, anywhere. You just go in there, you search what you want, you click on it, you can go through. Look at this. This is beautiful. You also have the Korean version on my right. I prefer to use the Korean version because it actually has more restaurants that you can choose from versus the English version. And you just go through here, you click on it. This is a place that we went last week in HBC. This place was very good, small setting, but the customer service was amazing. You can also leave reviews on here. Boom, so we walked in, you check out the area, you go over here. Your first part, you got, your meats. Got some eggs at the bottom, you got your shrimp, and just a bunch of meat. All the meat is different prices. Some of it's pricey, some of it's not. You can go there, you choose whichever one you want. Then you're over here. Everything is self-serve. Look at all this. Got your ramen over here. Get whatever you need in here. You go to the front, you pay for it. We also can't forget about the lovely drinks over here. Yes, sir, we gotta get those. Yeah, it's not that, yeah. Baby. It's good.
Smile.
Damn, big ass shrimps. You want to use the